To another battery.
No, me. Joseph.
Hold this. It's running.
Here, hold this. Here, hold my blanket. It's gonna fall. Please. Thank you. Whoa. How are we not? I see it! Where was it? Where is it? Right there! Oh, it's one of those! We got... Just focus on him. Make sure he doesn't fly away. Okay. Still got him. I wonder where the heck he is. We found him! Daddy, he's right there! I'm recording. I got it. Here, take it.
There's another black flashlight.
Right here. Yeah, Joseph has it. This is the one that you're using. There's two. There's the other one. Oh, that one's gone. Oh, that one is right here. It's right there. It's right there.
Give me the flashlight.
Here.
Hold this.
No.
I can't change the battery and hold this.
No, he flew away. He got away. He got away. He was in the